Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a CERAZINOSAURUS. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right over here, we just want to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and back like this. And then it's just going to kind of curve around to here. Next, you want to draw a line that's going to go right above the eye, and it's just going to come down here. And then starting up here, you want to make a line that's going to just kind of hook down, and it's going to come back, go down, and then up and down like this. Now right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around to here. Then it's going to go out and then come back to here. We're going to add some small teeth on the bottom and onto the top. And you can make a little line that goes out for the tongue. Now, this dinosaur kind of has some like little feathery details coming out from behind its eye. So you want to draw a line that goes out and then it curves back. And just repeat this a few times down to about there. And right here you can give it a little dot for the nose. Now right up here you want to draw a line that goes up and then curves down, almost like a rhino horn on their nose. And also at the top, really close to the horn, you're going to make a line that's going to curve back. It's going to come to a point and then curve down to here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve back here. Now, starting here, you want to draw a line that's just going to go up. And it's going to slowly come down. Then it's going to curve off, and I'm going to swing it back here. Then it's going to come to a point. It's going to come back up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a few little curved lines for the neck. And I'm going to take this line down. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then another one right here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, and then one more that's going to go down and curve up to here, and then one right here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come to an angle and go right to there. You want to continue this line. We're going to curve to here. Make a line that goes down and then angles back here. And it's going to go straight down. Now for the feet, I'm going to make a line that goes over, it's going to curve back. And then another one right here. Draw a line that's going to go up and in. And then I'm going to draw a big line that's going to curve around here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes right to here. Starting here, we're going to make the other leg. We're going to draw a line that goes out and then down. And then pretty close to the same thing we did on the last foot, curve it out for a toe. Add one more right here. Add one there. And we're going to go up and out and then just come right back. We're going to make another arm right here. It's just going to go down, kind of curve back, and then we'll add a couple little claws right here. And bring it right back to here. Now, this dinosaur also has some spikes on its back, and they're just kind of evenly spread out, nothing too big. They do get a little bit larger as you get closer towards the back, but then they're just going to slowly get smaller as they go down and come towards the tail. So you can just fill them up all the way around here. Now for some of the details. I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to curve right around here. I'm going to add another little line right around here and another one underneath the eye. And what I want to do is add a little circle in here and then color it in because the eye is mostly black on this dinosaur. Add a little line right over here too. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go right to the leg, or the arm, then to the leg, and then it's going to go right down the tail. I'm going to add some small little curved lines onto here. I'm going to add a little bit of detail right here and then a few lines on the horn. Little line right along the mouth here. And a couple little broken lines over here. And then I'm going to make just some few broken lines down here and then add a few curved lines for the claws. I'll add some little lines right around here. I'll add some little lines on the legs, kind of where the knees would be. And then just a few little extra lines all over. And there you go. There's your drawing of a CERAZINOSAURUS. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.